Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Learn Igbo on Igbotic. No. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so. Share this video as well. Like it, give it a thumbs up because when you do that, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people. Okay. At the end of today's video, you're going to be learning how to use phrases in Igbo language and how to make sentences in Igbo language using these phrases that I'm about to teach you right now. Yes, listen, focus, you will learn. You will learn. This that is okay. Can you video? Let's begin. Can you video? Let's begin. We're going to start with phrases, single phrases word first. Then we're going to go into phrases word that has to do with two sentences. For example, single phrases word ego means money. Ego, money. Then two phrases word that can form a sentence. I can say nyem ego, nyem ego. But now let's begin with one phrase. Okay? Money is ego in Igbo. Money is ego. Nyem ego, give me money. Nyem ego, give me money. Water is mmiri in Igbo. Water, mmiri. Water, mmiri. Wetere m mmiri, get me water. Wetere m mmiri, get me water. Wetere m mmiri, get me water. Food, 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 nri. Food, nri. Nye m nri, give me food. Nye m nri, give me food. Nye m nri, give me food. Watch my lips. If you watch my lips, it will be easier for you to learn. Okay? Nye m nri, give me food. Can you repeat what I just said now? I said money. I said water. I said food. Nye m ego. Wetere m mmiri. Nye m nri. Can you do it? Good. Let's go further. Aqua. Aqua, clothes. Aqua, clothes. Eyim aqua. I'm putting on clothes. Eyim aqua. I'm putting on clothes. Eyim aqua. I'm putting on clothes. Sa aqua. Wash clothes. Sa aqua. Wash clothes. Sa aqua. Wash clothes. Sa aqua. Wash clothes. Iko, cup. Iko, cup. Iko, cup. Dose iko, keep the cup. Dose iko, keep the cup. Efere, plate. Efere, plate. Efere, plate. Sa efere, wash plate. Sa efere, wash plate. Sa efere, wash plate. Hope you're understanding. Hope you're learning. If you have any questions, please put down in the comment section. And I hope if you watched this point, I hope you've subscribed already. And I hope you've given this video a thumbs up. Please, so YouTube can recommend my videos. Please, I beg you, and I beg. To bait, sar. To bait, sar. I am having my bath, and I'm a sar. I am having my bath, and I'm a sar. I am having my bath, and I'm a sar. I am having my bath, and I'm to buy, gote. To buy, gote. To buy soap, gote incha. To buy soap, gote incha. Or gote anything. Could be gote usilkapa, that is to buy rice. Anything. To buy soap, gote incha. Thank you if you have learned to this extent, and put in the comment section any video you want me to bring further to you guys. I am fully back right now and we're gonna get it started. Don't forget to watch my playlist. I have so much play. I have named my playlist accordingly. Phrases and different playlists. Just go to them, watch them, save me your watch later. If you watch my video consistently, one playlist a day, one playlist a day, one playlist a day. Tell me the reason why you won't start speaking Igbo by now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Do